Tired of endless piles of dirty dishes? I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. Look at this new kind of dishwasher. It's called the Capsule Solo. It's the world's smallest dishwasher that packs a very big punch. This little powerhouse measures just 10 by 18 by 20 inches. It's perfect for cramped kitchens, offices, or even if you're a camper. But don't let its size fool you. It can handle up to 35 items, including pots and pans. And there's no plumbing needed. No plumbing, no problem. The Capsule Solo uses 2 external water tanks, making it truly portable. And get this, it can clean your lunch dishes in just about 15 minutes. Need to tackle tougher stains? No worries, it's got longer cycles too. And here's what's really great about it. It uses way less water and energy than hand washing. Plus, you can even use it to clean fruit and veggies with a produce washing 8-minute cycle. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. If you're not already getting my newsletter, get it for free by clicking the red button.